Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to another video. To begin with, I have to make one thing very clear. This is not a sponsored or promotional video. This is just me sharing my experience on buying a waste decomposer starter culture online. I have already made a complete video on preparation of waste decomposer solution. So if you have not watched it yet, go check it out first. I was earlier using waste decomposer starter culture from Siddhi. It was given to me by a farmer friend of ours. We had bought it in few hundreds, so I used to borrow it from him. Later, after the release of my previous video, people started asking me where to buy this waste decomposer solution. So I went out and checked online to buy this from Siddhi website, but later I realized that it was no longer available from them. So I did some checking and I got to know this website, Agribegri.com. So I went out there and bought this product. You can go to the website by loading www.agribegri.com. It will load their homepage. Inside the website, we have this option to search for waste decomposer, and it will land you in their product page. Select for the first one. This will load the product. So this product costs 290 rupees with the 59 rupees as shipping charge. You have option to buy 10, 50 and 100 bottles. Add this to cart, add your address details. I had ordered from Kerala, so if it could travel from all the way from UP to Kerala, I think it can reach any other corners in India. So this is how the packing looks like. It is compact and well done. I had ordered the product on 3rd of June and I got it delivered on 11th of June. Now let's have a closer look at the bottles. This is a set of 10 bottles. So this is manufactured on April 2021. I got the set from the latest batch. Now let's have a closer look at the starter culture. It's green, which indicates a healthy culture. I have prepared this barrel of waste decomposer solution using the starter culture which I had bought online. I did not have cash on delivery option, so I had to make the complete payment while ordering this product. The link for the website will be given in the description of this video. Hope they deliver the product to you without any issues. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for farming with me today. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind. And don't forget to subscribe.